This is Seymour Rexide, your host on Banner's Music Comedy Review number 3. There have been many famous people in this day and age, and a few of them have been Litvaks. But of these famous people, not many can claim to be as famous a Litvak as Aaron Lebedeff, who starts our show with Nie Plotch, Mama.
Oj, nie placz, mama, in zorg zich nie. Oj, weinig slubben, wir werd zijn dier. Wie mijn schein, de hardste schummerein, en nie placz, mama, in zorg zich nie. Es en trink, in leba gitten tot, in is gezorgt, sag lubben, meine Herr, mich wuss ihr sorgt. Bist mir teier, flip dich geheier, nie plach mama, in zorg sag mir. I love you mama, please don't cry, I'll be your sweetheart, by and by, I'll never leave you, trust in me, because I need your dowry. I promise you will be my bride, I'll never leave you from my side, and when our wedding night will be a kosher dance, you'll dance with me, and after the wedding I'll take you soon to our Armenian place for our honeymoon. We'll have a picnic and a good time. We'll eat karnatslag and we'll drink wine. So don't cry, mama, I'll be with you. I'll keep my promise, my love is true. The night will part, you surely break my heart. But don't cry, mama, I'll be with you. So eat and drink and lead a happy life, for you'll never have and when you will become my wife. I like you, honey, 'cause you got the money. Don't cry, mama, I'll take it from you. In is gesorgt, ach liebe meine Herr, mich was ich soll. Oi süß wie Honig, bist du mein Ziplonik. Nie placz, mama.